my name is James Ross, and I'm a drummer. I'm from Rochester, New York, and I've been playing drums for 25 years. My drumming started at the age of 4, of course, from out of the church. And as time progressed from my age of 4, I found myself playing in high schools, found myself playing in church choirs, I found myself playing in music studios. And I even had the opportunity to play for a Grammy-nominated artist by the name of Jimmy Highsmith. So me being a drummer, I found myself in numerous positions playing, and I love being a drummer. Now, today I would love to talk about Collision Drumsticks. Now, I love this company. And first and foremost, I would like to just talk about my favorite drumsticks I love playing with. And it is the 5 ARs. Listen, these bad boys right here, to me, is the best stick that my hands ever touched. No cap. I'm going to describe the stick to you guys. The fact when I touch these sticks, the solidness of the actual wood, it's solid and it's not cheap. No cheap, none of that. And I would like to talk about the nylon tips. You look at the nylon tips, they're not going. They're not going. Trust me. I played on these sticks, did a lot of cymbal fills on the ride, hi-hats, and they sound crisp. And I didn't have to worry about, am I going to break the tips? No, these sticks are beyond stable. And the reach, listen, I love this stick because I really don't have to reach in, lean in to do a drum fill when I play. I can hit my splash, do my accents off my toms, do my things on the crash, China, whatever it is that I'm doing at that moment. And I won't have to worry about if I don't lean in, I might miss or something. This stick is the best. I can be myself. I can relax. And by far, this stick right here, first of all these sticks is nice. But these bad boys right here is my all-time favorite, and I love them. And this is where I'm at when it comes to drumsticks. So the 5 ARs, I would tell people if you run across this, listen, go get these sticks. You won't be disappointed. Now, I would love to talk about the staff. The staff is so honest. And one thing about me, honesty wins me, okay? I love the honesty, and I love the fact that they believe in their artists, okay? The first thing I found out is when I talk with them, they so concerning, and they have so much that when it comes to pushing their artists, and making sure that the quality that I can say as an artist that I get is insurable. There's no flaws. And they believe in just pushing us, promoting, it's so much benefits that comes from Collision Drumsticks in a good way. And I don't just look at Collision Drumsticks as a company. I look at them as family, because that's what it reminds me of. One thing about family and honesty, you keep it real, you keep it A1. And one thing about Collision Drumsticks, they keep it A1. I mean, they keep it true. And they quality, you think about it, good quality sticks, a company that believe in you, pushing you to go for yours, making sure that the weapons you got when you go into battle to play, They ensure to do what it do. You can't go wrong. Okay, so listen, by far, A plus. Collision Drumsticks is A plus. And I wouldn't trade them for nothing in the world. All right, well, let me get to work. I would like to play to a track of mine that's going to be on my soon coming EP. And literally the song is named Feel It. Okay, I'm going to say it again. Feel It. Hope you enjoy.